Dear students of academics and competitive exams of English, in this lecture 1 English version lecture, today our topic is how to synthesize two or more sentences given in different parts by using noun or noun phrase in apposition. Students, before I start teaching, I would like to make you know these 4 points. What 4 points are? First is synthesis in simple, second noun, third noun phrase, and fourth is apposition. Let's begin with synthesis. Synthesis means to combine, and simple sentence means to combine all the sentences in such one sentence as have only one main verb. Now noun, noun is a name of person, place or animal, you know very well. Now let's understand what is phrase, because these technical terms are going to be used. Phrase is a group of words without verb, and it has incomplete sense. When all these features, all these characteristics of a phrase acts like a noun, it is called noun phrase. Now the word is left, that is apposition. Apposition means matching or suitability, the act of positioning close together, and you can define it in a grammatical form, a grammatical relation between a word maybe noun or pronoun, and another noun or noun phrase, that is apposition. In simple, you use two noun or noun phrases together from two different sentences. That's why we use this in synthesizing a sentence into simple. Now let's understand with examples. Our first example is, she is my sister, she is Rekha. Now identify two similar things. My sister and Rekha are the same person. In this way we will put these two things closer. My sister, Rekha. I have used here 4 colors. Red color is used in case in apposition, maybe in noun or noun phrase. My sentence is, she is my sister and my sister's name is Rekha, and I didn't use is and I use Rekha after my sister. That is the form of apposition. I mean, we use nouns in apposition in this way. This is the combination of the example number 1. Let's begin with example number 2. I have used a different type of examples, and after going through all these examples, students, it will be easy to solve the exercise. Banaras is the city of temple. This is the first part of question number 2, and second part is stands on the banks of the Ganges. Now we took two different nouns in sentence number 1, my sister and Rekha. In this example, the new thing is your head word and case in apposition, I mean noun or noun phrase in apposition, is in the same part, and we will learn how to break this single sentence. Banaras is the city of temples. I mean to say Banaras and the city of temples are the same thing. That's why I break it. Banaras is the head word. I wrote in blue color, in bluing the head word, and in red case in apposition. Banaras, the city of temples, you can put comma, stands on the banks of Ganges. Now let's come to the example number 3. In example number 3, there is a new type of structure. Milton wrote on his blindness, he was blind. Students, there is no noun given here. There is no noun at all. We will have to create a noun, and we will use nominalization. I mean to say, you will use this verb into noun. Milton, the writer of on his blindness, was blind. In this way, Milton and the writer of on his blindness was blind. This is case in apposition, and the writer of on his blindness is noun in apposition. Students, are example number 4, that is full of length. This is in 4 parts. A. Mr. Shukla is a teacher. He is HOD science. He taught Rohan. Rohan is the son of his principal. Students, we are going to combine these 4 sentences into simple sentence, and simply one verb will remain here only. Now begin. First, Mr. Shukla, the teacher, and HOD. These three things are the same, and we have learned so by now only two things. In this way, I will write Mr. Shukla, comma, a teacher, and HOD. I use double in apposition, case in apposition. Mr. Shukla, comma, a teacher, and HOD. Science, taught. Taught is only one main verb. Rohan is an object, and there is a noun phrase in apposition of Rohan, I mean the son of his principal. In this way, I connected four sentences into one simple sentence. I changed into one simple sentence, and the sentence has become Mr. Shukla, a teacher, and HOD. Science, taught, that is main verb. Rohan, the son of his principal. Students, I think you have gone through this lecture very well, and please to get yourself updated with all my taught literature and grammar, my channel RSC classes of English language, and please subscribe this channel. Please comment, like, and share. Thanks.